right now, but at the same time, I feel so grateful and blessed because I have the opportunity to stand here before you.
And we are also honored to have you on this stage. You look like Atisa Manalo in your gown. You look so beautiful. Are you ready? Okay. Sa gandang to, alam niyang ready na siya. The question is, again, I'll be reading the question twice. One in English, one in Filipino. Okay? Everyone, we have an agreement. Listen up. Here is your question. Sorry. What does it mean to you to be a woman built by resilience in today's generation? In Filipino, ano ang kahulugan para sa iyo ng pagiging isang babaeng hinubog ng katatagan sa kasalukuyang henerasyon?
So, good evening, Municipality of Agno. So, being a woman that is defined by, built by resilience, I think it is a woman that is growing up or growing through the challenges or the struggles that they have faced. Because a woman that is standing and showing up, it means a lot in today's generation because a lot of people is discriminating us. We are experiencing inequality because I am here, built by resilience, crowned in radiance. I rise, I shine, and I encourage to empower and to be the voice of our Agno municipality. And I thank you.
Thank you so